I've made a mess, so I need to clean this up. Typical. Got the valve cover gasket. Oh, whoop, whoop. Got the valve cover gasket set for that. And you know, I only really do have one comment at the time of filming right now. I've only got one comment on my video, so shout out to you, dude. Hold on. I'd like to shout you out by name, so I'm gonna pull you up on my phone. 14 views. That's cool. Oh, 4 likes. Yeah. Appreciate that. Oh, yeah, I watch my own shit. Who cares? You know what? One of them was me. Oh, shit. So 3 people like it. Still. Oh, it's all good. You can like your own shit. Anyway, WK Garage, huge shout out to you, man. Okay, so like I'm just gonna throw it on because you said that. So, big ups. I don't know why that wasn't there before. As you can see in here, we got a really nasty valve cover. This is definitely gunky. The inside of the engine looks pretty good. It looks like this was just done. There's no Honda bond or anything on here, so I'm gonna go ahead and redo it. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to pop the new gaskets in and then slap that on.
God damn.
What up? Bitch.
Whoa.